Hello my friend, today is November 17th, 2023. Now we are going to test your machine with the mode flat tip and mass cosmetic tip. You check here. Okay, now we are going to run the machine for you. Here to feed in paper stick, and this part is for plastic. This part to feed in glue for paper, wooden, bamboo stick, and here to feed in cotton sliver. The inside cotton sliver is 1.5 gram per meter. The outside is 3 gram per meter. This is mold. Okay. Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn. Right now the speed is 500 pieces per minute. Okay, the speed here. Speed. Okay, thank you for your watch. It's stable. Here is our workshop. Too many machines here, and both machine is for your Mexico factory. Thank you for your watch.